Good morning. Welcome to onlineias.com. In this particular session, I would like to discuss with you regarding paper 3 of Group 2 examination, which is to be conducted by Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission. Under paper number 3, you have Indian economy and AP economy. For all the serious aspirants from Andhra Pradesh, I would like to inform you that today, that is on October 12th, 2020, we are going to start AP economy, Andhra Pradesh economy. And other part, Indian economy, it has already been done very successfully, and the updated material has also been handed over to the students. Now, from today, we are going to start AP economy. Whatever is there in the syllabus, in detail, in-depth analysis will be provided to you. And anybody who wishes to join for the paper 3, you are most welcome. Please remember, only AP economy is not available, but we have both Indian and AP economy together, and you may please join. And classes will be starting from today with respect to AP economy, and the whole units, meaning 6th, 7th and 8th units that are given in the syllabus will be dealt very, very effectively, and I am going to deal with these particular topics for the AP economy. Now, I would like to share with you how you can look at our demos and how you can join. Look at this. First, please open the site. This is our site, www.kalyanias.com or onlineias.com. In the menu bar, please look at this APPSC. Come down to Group 2. For your information, Group 1 batches are also started very recently for the year 2021. You can join. Come down to this Group 2 2020. Please look at the seminar, look at the demos, right? And watch the demos, then go through the syllabus, then go for the registration. And we have both English medium and Telugu medium. But whatever the batch that I am going to start today for AP economy, that is English medium. Please click on this register. You will be taken to the registration page where you can join for this particular course. And for your kind information, let me tell you, you may join for the entire course. Entire course is offered for just 9,900 rupees, meaning that includes prelims, complete mains, including the material as well as the practice test. Everything put together, you will be getting it for 9,900. This is for the entire course. If you want to join for English medium, you please click here on register online. You may also join for Telugu medium who belong to Telugu medium, and you can get registered here, right? And after that, and if anybody wants to join only for the so-called paper 2, you can click here, paper 2, where you have Indian polity and AP history. If you want to join, you may please join here. And anybody who wants to join only for paper 3, which consists of Indian economy and AP economy, right? And please join by paying this 4,500 rupees. At any time, you may please join, but let me tell you, the classes are starting today. And please have a look at this. This is the Group 2 English medium. We got both English medium as well as Telugu medium. Anybody who wants to join for this batch, maybe English or Telugu medium, you can pay just 9,900 rupees. Actual price is 19,000 rupees. Now this is being given at 9,900 rupees. Or if anybody wants to join only for paper 3, Indian and AP economy, this is going to be dealt by me completely. I am talking about English medium batch. For Telugu medium batch, it is already done by a gentleman by name Jagdish. It has already been done. And the course fees for paper 3 is 4,500. This includes GST. And you may pay through Google Pay or Phone Pay or Paytm. This is the number. And after payment is done, please send your details to my WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number. You may please take a click of this. And after payment is done, please send your details to my WhatsApp number. This is the WhatsApp number. Please send screenshot of the payment, your name, your mobile number, meaning WhatsApp number, because we run, we have a WhatsApp group where the information will be updated from time to time. You please send your mail ID and of course the course and the medium. This is important, right? So once it is done, within an hour you will be getting the access. You will be getting the access and you can start accessing the classes, and you can start watching all the classes and start your preparation immediately. So this is with relation to the course that is to be started from today, that is Andhra Pradesh economy. Indian economy is already done. AP history is at the end. Paper 1 is already done, and you can join and you can avail all the classes, and all the classes will be available to you till the completion of the main examination, meaning notification, preliminary examination, then you will get the main examination. Till that time you can watch our classes at any time and any number of times. There is no issue. But the only thing is that you can access our classes only from one device, not 2, 3, no, not more than one. Because of any reason, if you share your, this mail ID and password with anyone, user ID and password, if somebody is accessing that, you will lose the access. Please keep all this in mind and join. Start the preparation very seriously and sincerely. And from today at 6 o'clock in the evening, the classes that are related to AP economy are going to be uploaded. Meaning, before that, the classes will be conducted. Up to date, updated information will be given to you, and you can start accessing the classes after 6 o'clock in the evening. I once again welcome you all, and I wish you all a very, very, very good luck, and see you during the classes. Thank you so much.